Having a pressure washer in your washing routine is a game changer. Most pressure washers come big and bulky. You need to store them in your garage, it takes up space. Not Adams Polish's compact pressure washer. Not only is it smaller than most units on the market, but there's a few features that actually separate it from your standard small pressure washer. Number one being the standard 1/4-inch connect at the end, the quick disconnect for your pressure washer tips. It also fits any of Adams Polish's foam cannons. It has quick disconnects here at the gun and also here on the unit where the hose is being utilized. As you're using the unit, this can freely spin so your hose doesn't wrap up and get all tangled up. You get great performance with the 1300 PSI and the 1.2 GPM. This gun breaks down, so when you're done using this, you can tear it down, put it in your cabinet, and you won't even see it when you're not using it. We've created a upgrade kit for the compact pressure washer. What the upgrade kit comes with is adapters to turn your hose connection into a quick disconnect for a steel braided hose, and the upgrade kit also comes with a snub nose sprayer. It makes cleaning your wheels much more easy. It makes foaming your car down much more easy. Check out Adams Polish's compact pressure washer today.